Would you add 20 minutes to your Charlotte commute to save $110,000 on the same new construction home? I'm here at Silverstein at D.R. Horton Community in Salisbury. Now, right now, the builder is selling many of the exact same floor plans at Reedy Creek Preserve in Charlotte. But here's the difference. Reedy Creek is a 20-minute commute to uptown Charlotte. Silverstein, 40 minutes. Now, in this video, I'm taking you through one of their most popular layouts. And as we walk through, I want you to keep in mind that 20-minute trade-off and ask yourself, is a slightly longer commute worth a six-figure discount? D.R. Horton is building 136 homes, and they offer 9 floor plans. You can select from 1 or 2-story homes. Sizes average about 1,500 to 2,800 square feet. And the best part, all-in prices average in the low 300,000s. Now remember, these same homes would cost you $110,000 or more with a Charlotte zip code. Here's their on-site model called the Belhaven. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, checks in at 1,991 square feet, and the cost around $330,000. So let's see what you get for your money. Amenities include a park, playground, walking trails, and dog stations. So, what do you think? Is an extra 20 minutes worth $110,000 to you? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more new construction tours. I'm always here to help you with your real estate needs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, the person that works in the model home represents the builder, not you. That's where I come in. I'm here to help you and look out for your best interests.